Hello everyone, I'm Yazan Ibrahim, or as some of you might know me, Yazan Abu Ghosh. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating and essential topic, 4.4 system interfaces. If you are a seasoned auditor or just curious to understand how information systems into business environments, you've come to the right place. Let's begin. Have you ever stopped to think about how different systems, whether computers, applications, or even entire organizations, talk to each other? Hidden behind the digital world we rely on every day is an intricate web of interconnected systems, quietly but efficiently working together to transfer data. These bridges between systems are called system interfaces, and they're the unsung heroes of our increasingly digitized lives. But while these interfaces bring incredible benefits, they also come with risks, challenges, and opportunities. Let's unravel this world together. At its core, a system is simply a collection of elements, hardware, software, or both, that work in harmony to perform computing tasks. Think of it like a team. Each member specializes in a particular role, but they must share information efficiently so the team can succeed. System interfaces are the mechanisms that allow this sharing. They're like translators or couriers enabling data to flow between systems. Sometimes these systems are built by different teams, use different programming languages, or even belong to separate organizations. But a good interface is built to overcome those barriers, allowing seamless communication. This flexibility is vital for organizations because it lets them choose the best tools for separate tasks while still being able to share data as needed. Now, this transfer of information happens in a few distinct ways. Picture it this way. The flow of data between systems isn't just a single stream, it's a whole river network with different types of connections depending on the need. These can be grouped into three categories: system to system, partner to partner, and person to person transfers. Let's explore each. First, system-to-system interfaces are like a factory assembly line. One machine passes parts to the next, each adding its specific contribution. Here, data flows from one system to another, perhaps internal systems passing customer details, or external tools providing insights like sales analytics. This transfer has become even more central in today's world of business analytics, where companies rely on tools to extract patterns, predictions, and efficiencies from their data libraries. For example, a customer's purchase history stored in one system might be fed into an analytics tool, which then pinpoints trends to refine marketing strategies. Next, we move to partner interfaces. Imagine two businesses working together like two hands washing each other. One partner transfers data to the other, and vice versa, as part of their collaboration. For instance, a retailer might automatically share inventory updates with their suppliers, who then share shipping data back. These systems are fine-tuned for regular ongoing transactions. Finally, the simplest but often overlooked form, person-to-person transfers. Think of this as passing notes in a classroom, informal, quick, but not always secure. Sending an email attachment is a classic example. While it sounds harmless, these ad hoc data exchanges can involve significant risks because they're harder to track, manage, or secure compared to system-driven processes. And that brings us to the darker side of interfaces, risks lurking beneath the surface. So how can we protect system interfaces and the data they manage? Organizations today are stepping up their game by implementing robust controls specifically designed to safeguard these exchanges. Think of these as security checkpoints at every data handoff. A well-managed system interface environment can encrypt data so that even if intercepted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized eyes. Compress files to streamline transfers without compromising security. Automate file transfers to reduce human errors. Generate logs and reports to create a traceable audit trail of every transfer. Strong encryption is especially crucial in scenarios where risks are high. For instance, when sensitive credit card information is transferred, or when business intelligence reports are shared across insecure networks. Beyond encryption, there's also non-repudiation. This ensures that the data sent from System A is unquestionably received by System B, and that no one along the way has tampered with or accessed it without permission. Even with automated measures in place, human oversight still has a role. For example, experts may manually reconcile data reports, comparing what was sent versus received, to confirm everything matches up. This manual check acts as an additional safety net, especially in high-stakes situations. On a broader scale, businesses are implementing centralized systems to track, manage, and audit their interfaces. These programs offer visibility across all transfers, whether scheduled or ad hoc, ensuring everything aligns with business rules and compliance requirements. With the right tools, an organization can track when and where data was sent, who accessed it, how it was structured, and more. This end-to-end oversight supports not only security but accountability. By now, it's clear that system interfaces are more than just technical connectors. They're the veins of the digital world, pumping vital information where it needs to go, enabling efficiency, collaboration, and insight. But with great power comes great responsibility. Effective interface management isn't just about ensuring systems talk to each other. It's about making sure that conversation happens securely, accurately, and in alignment with the goals of the organization. So, the next time you see online transactions happening in seconds, recall the complexity behind the scenes. Every seamless transfer, every bit of exchanged data is held together by well-oiled system interfaces. Whether it's analyzing business trends, automating orders, or simply sending an email, these interfaces are what keep the wheels of data-driven innovation turning. Wouldn't you agree that in the silent background, system interfaces tell a powerful story, one of connection, trust, and security in a world built on information? Thank you for watching, and as always, continue learning. Stay curious, and we'll see you next video.